With over 50 years of professional excellence in her career, Priscilla B. Wyrick, PhD, DVM, is currently retired, having most recently been active as a teacher and assistant at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill School of Medicine from 2013 to 2015. Joining the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill School of Medicine in 1973 as an assistant professor in the Department of Microbiology, Dr. Wyrick progressed to associate professor in 1979 and to full professor in 1988. In 2000, she was appointed to the role of chair of the Department of Microbiology at the Killen College of Medicine at East Tennessee State University in Johnson City, a position that she held until 2012. Earlier in her career, Dr. Wyrick contributed her skills to the Clinical Microbiology Laboratory at the University of North Carolina Medical Center in Chapel Hill as a technologist, assistant supervisor, and supervisor between the years of 1962 to 1966. Prior to embarking on her career, Dr. Wyrick pursued an education at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill not long after the university first opened its doors to women. One of 50 girls in her class of over 3,000 students, she received her Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology in 1962. Following this accomplishment, she earned her Master of Science in Bacteriology from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill in 1967 and her Doctor of Philosophy in Bacteriology in 1970. Dr. Wyrick concluded her education with a postdoctoral fellowship at the National Institute of Medical Research in London, England from 1971 to 1973. During her career, Dr. Wyrick had the considerable achievement of being part of the study of the chlamydia bacteria during the very early stages when scientists first discovered that it was responsible for sexually transmitted infections. Responsible for improving the growth of chlamydia bacteria in human genital cells for research purposes, she was also one of the early people who developed a polarized cell system for growing human genital cells. With a research grant from Pfizer, Dr. Wyrick was able to put significant efforts into researching the antibiotic azithromycin, and it was her polarized cell growth system that was directly responsible for the long-lasting effects of the antibiotic. 36 hours instead of only 3 to 4. In order to remain abreast of developments in her field, Dr. Wyrick has remained affiliated with a number of professional organizations into her retirement. Elected as a Fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science in 2002 and the American Academy of Microbiology in 1980, she also holds membership in the Infectious Diseases Society of America and the Chlamydia Basic Research Society, where she served as president in 2006. Additionally, Dr. Wyrick was the recipient of a 36-year consecutive grant from the National Institutes of Health. For excellence in her career, Dr. Wyrick has been presented with numerous awards and accolades over the years. Most recently, she was honored with the Distinguished Service Award from Healthcare Heroes in 2011 and was awarded an Honorary Doctor of Veterinary Medicine from the University of Zurich in Switzerland in 2010. Named Notable Woman by East Tennessee State University in 2009, she was also recognized by the Killen College of Medicine with the Dean's Distinguished Research Award from 2005 to 2006. Further celebrated with an Outstanding Faculty Teaching Award from the School of Nursing at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, Ms. Wyrick was first honored for her work with the Algernon Sidney Sullivan Award in 1962.